eu soy Marta, eu falo pouquito português. Video de hoje é sobre Priscilla. So many apologies to all of my Portuguese speaking friends out there if I just chop that up completely. I love Portuguese. I truly do. I hope to learn it perfectly one day. But for right now, I'll just share to you the little bit that I do know. So hi, welcome to today's video. My name is Martha. Today we are recreating this beautiful makeup look inspired by the amazing Priscilla Alcantara. So I hope you guys stay tuned to find out a little bit more about Priscilla and how you can recreate this look as well. Okay guys, so before we dive into the makeup look, I just wanted to touch a little bit on who Priscilla is. Priscilla is a Brazilian Christian singer, and in our house we love all Christian music, especially Portuguese, and I absolutely love Priscilla and her music. My first introduction to Priscilla was at the Send here in Orlando about 2 years ago. I have a vlog up on my channel that you can go check out if you would like. She performed with the group Dunamis during like the Portuguese set, which was my personal favorite. And my first impression of her was that she is very expressive. She gets into the music a lot, and her voice is like incredible, out of this world. Priscilla, you know, when she worships, when she praises, when she's on the stage, is incredible. You know, she has this amazing energy, and at first it does kind of catch you off guard, and it takes you a minute to be like, oh, okay. But I totally loved it. I totally felt it. You know, it's very genuine from her, and she just enjoys the music, guys. So I really, really love it. I immediately followed her on Instagram after that day. I didn't check out her music, which I regret, until later on. In 2019, her album Gente was nominated for a Latin Grammy in Best Portuguese Language Christian Album. She didn't win, unfortunately, but her look that day was amazing, beautiful, breathtaking, and I knew that I wanted to do a makeup look inspired on Priscilla. So she recently released a bunch of live music videos from one of her concerts, and you have to watch them because she is incredible. She is amazing. I love, love, love her live performances. I need to go to a concert like as soon as all of this is over, because wow, it was incredible. I genuinely have never seen a live performance like the way she puts on with her band. I watched the Me Refez, and it's my favorite performance, like live performance ever. Wow, incredible. I wish I would have been in that room. And when I saw this video, I knew I needed to recreate this look because it is magical. It is everything. It is perfection. Her outfit, the production, everything is on point. Her band, incredible. So yeah, let's jump into the makeup. It's a very easy look for you guys today. Very wearable, inspired by her live performance. So keep on watching. Alright, let's get started with our bare face. I'm going to be applying 2 different types of primers, but you can, you know, prep your face however you usually do it. Then I'm also going to apply a lip balm to prep my lips as well, because that's also important. And then prepare my eyelids with some concealer and setting powder. So this look, the focal point is definitely the eyes. Now for Priscilla, she's performing in front of a live audience under these, you know, huge lights, and she's using like this nice chunky, super pretty glitter. But to make this more wearable, I'm using this white sparkly gel or cream eyeshadow and just applying it using my fingers to create a nice, you know, base and canvas. Once you have a nice wash of color, you can top it off using a white sparkly eyeshadow. I love this one, and I'm just gonna also use my fingers to just pack it on to my eyelid. And you really wanna build this up and be precise about where you are putting that eyeshadow. I love this, and I think that under lights, it makes it all really look so pretty and gorgeous. I'm gonna then curl my lashes, tight line using a black eyeliner, and top it all off with my favorite mascaras. So since I'm just going to be chilling at home, I'm going to apply a CC foundation to my face. But if you were performing like Priscilla, I would definitely go with something that is more durable and full coverage, like a real foundation. I'm going to apply this using my beauty sponge and then topping that off with some concealer and blending that nicely into the skin, and then finishing it off with some setting powder as well as like my face powder too. Of course, I was listening to her album. It's amazing. Please check it out after you finish this video. Then I'm going to add my blush, which in her music videos, it's very, very subtle. So I'm just trying to do a little pinch of blush onto my cheeks. And that's why I use a fan brush, because it's very great at diffusing that color. And I just like to blend it out even more. I'm going to be highlighting using this white base highlighter just in the very tips of my cheekbones, and then again diffusing that out with a brush. And next, we're going to be doing our brows. I feel like brows are very unique. You know, we all have different shapes and different eyebrows, so do whatever looks good for you and how you like to do your brows for this step. To finish off, we're going to use our setting powder and move on to the lips. So I decided to use a My Lips But Better shade and start off with some lip liner, and then use this really gorgeous lipstick, which I have been obsessed with. And that's it. That's the look. I love it. I think it's amazing, and I hope you guys like it too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little recreation of Priscilla's makeup look. It's very simple, right? Couple of items, very easy. I love it. It's obviously a showstopper eyeshadow look, but I think it's super cute. I just wanted to finish up this video by saying really quickly that I really am a huge fan of Priscilla. I really liked her stage design, her production, her band, the video editing, the graphics. Everything was just amazing. Her presence on stage is so captivating. It's so real and genuine. You can tell that she really feels the music. She really gets into what she is doing. And worshiping the Lord. Priscilla is a daughter of musicians. She got her start as just an 8-year-old on a competition show, and she has gone on to do amazing things. Her musical style is R&B, like jazz, pop, everything, and it's so very creative, and I really love it. Her vocals are like Ariana Grande level in my opinion, which is saying a lot, to be honest. I just really want to point out that as a Christian artist, Priscilla gets a lot of criticism from traditional conservatives who don't really understand the art of worship. And they judge the amount of makeup she wears, her fashion, her style, her performances, her style of music, just everything that she does. And I just feel like there's no room for that anymore. We need to understand that worship is unique to all of us. We have all been given a unique anointing from God. So if you can't get with it, then you don't need to speak on it, you know? That's just my 2 cents. If you're not going to appreciate her style of worship to God, then you don't need to be negative about it either. And that not all worship needs to look and sound the same for it to be worship to God. It also doesn't need to be approved by me or by you, just by God. So don't worry about it. Just enjoy it. And that's what I wanted to say. You know, she has truly demonstrated such fervor in what she does for the Lord. And so I'm here for it. And also, have I mentioned that she's just 24 years old? Like, hello, she's incredible. Her talent, her energy, her creativity, her passion, it's inspiring. It truly is. And people like Priscilla are redefining the art of worship. So I love it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you recreate this look. Let me know if you do. Send me some pictures. Leave a comment down below what you thought about this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys again really soon. So yeah. Ciao. Obrigado.